how you can save pictures on your laptop screen. You can do that on a Windows 11 based PC using the app called Snipping Tool. Snipping Tool comes free with the Windows 11 operating system. This is a website on cute dogs from Wikipedia, and this picture, I want to save it. I don't want to download it. So what I do is I go to the search bar and type Snipping Tool. Now you can see Snipping Tool has already come on. So I click on Open, and then you click on the camera icon and then click on this new to select the area of the screen. You can select the whole screen, but I want to select this picture only. Okay, and so now I select the picture. This is the picture. Now I can further edit it, like crop the image, add shapes, even erase some part of the image or mark up some part of the image, or better still, I can edit it in Paint. But we'll go ahead to just save this picture. We can click on this Save As button, and then I'm going to save it in the desktop. I click here on desktop and then new folder. So I'll name the folder Screenshot. So I'll open the folder. You can see I'm now in the folder. So this is the picture. I now name it. I give it a name. I say Cute Dog. And I click on Save. Let's close the Snipping Tool. I'm now in my desktop, and so you can see the screenshot folder we created. When I open it, I see the picture Cute Dog. So let me open the picture. There you are. So this is how you can save any picture on your laptop screen. Thanks for watching.